The market only goes up. What's poppin'? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? What's good? What's good? What's good? The market right now going straight up, 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 up. All right. All right, pulling up the Nasdaq here. It's Fresh Cash Friday, baby. Fresh Cash Friday. Good morning, good morning, good morning. My hair right now. I don't know what is going on with my hair right now. What's poppin'? What's poppin'? We are live. We're doing it. The McLaren, it went too fast yesterday. 100 more horsepower. Oh, my baby. Jesus. Woohoo. All right, right now, the 15-minute chart, I'm trying to bull flag right here. We got that pivot point at the 18,646s. We had news come out here, 8:30, the news ripping up there, about 100 points when the PCE news came out this morning. So it is time, baby. It is time. Looking here at the overall chart right now, what do we got? We got the hourly chart to look at here. We have this downtrend that basically started from Tuesday. So we had this downtrend kind of in this channel right here. In that channel right there, pulling back. We're up to that overall downtrend resistance right now. Will this be the spot to turn back down, try to pull back here at open? We got that pivot point there on the hourly chart as well at the 657s. We're going to be opening up with a small gap to the downside here on the QQQ as well. You can see that gap there from yesterday's close would put us down here. About a $2 move to fill that gap to the downside here on the QQQ. And yeah, we'll see what happens here today. Fresh Cash Friday, baby. Give me some money. Make some money, money, money. Ah. Dollar selling off, obviously, with that news coming out this morning. The ES, the Dow, the Nasdaq, all spiking up here into the 9 o'clock hour here. 9 o'clock hour here. What do we got in any more news today? What do we got? Any more news today? We got the Chicago PMI news. It looks like 9:45. Chicago PMI numbers at 9:45. 9:45 this morning. Looking at the ES right now, big move up here. ES, Nasdaq, everybody popping up here. And we got the ES with a pivot point there at the 5,274s. Pivot point to the downside. 5,256 is right now. Looking at the 15-minute chart, and we'll see if we get this move up here today. If we get denied, obviously the ES as well kind of moving down here with this downtrend right now. Maybe did we pop out of the downtrend? We broke the downtrend there. That started back there on Tuesday, so we'll see if this move's gonna hold up. Got a lot of resistance there. 5,280 area on, well, 75 area. Pretty much right where we pushed up to there on the ES for now. So I like to always keep an eye on the ES, the Nasdaq, and kind of play into both of them. I'm trading the Nasdaq, obviously, but we're looking to see, you know, is the ES bullish? Is the ES pulling back? Is there resistance? Vice versa. And things like that. We want to see the ES and the Nasdaq kind of moving together as one. We are one. One. All right. How'd y'all do yesterday? Did you miss me yesterday? Anybody? Talking about the Rhythmic. Rhythmic is fixed? I don't know. I'm using Trade-Evate. I don't use Rhythmic. You missed me? Oh, how nice. It's so nice that you missed me. All right, we got 25 minutes here till the market opens. The 90% off with Apex is still going on. All right, we got that pivot point here on the Nasdaq at this, what is that, 645, 646 level going into open here. And we've obviously got some resistance here at this level. After that, there's really not much until about 18,720 or so. There's a pivot point up there at the 18,747. So right now the VWAP also down there, 18,565's VWAP to the downside there. Ooh, buddy. Zach, any trades yet? No. Like literally, I just turned on the stream, bro. It's been 5 minutes. Relax. Holy shit. Holy shit, people. Relax. Right now, the market pulling back here after that big move up with the news. We will have that small gap there in the QQQ. So VWAP down there at the 18,560 area. Pull back to the 592s and then make the move up. Not a bad idea. Right now, Nasdaq getting stuck up there. We got that pivot point there, the 46s. Pivot point. 46s. The ES pivot point down there at the 56s. Got a little bit some more support there on the ES, I feel like. If the ES can hold that 56 level at the pivot point. The pivot point on the Nasdaq's a little bit further down. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. It's free to like, baby. It's free to like. I saw that yesterday Trump was officially found guilty of 34 felony counts in the hush money trial. Supposedly, because of that, his website for donations crashed because the amount of traffic on the website. So I don't know. Hey, I think the people who support Trump are going to be even more supportive now that he got convicted of the hush money. It's crazy. We're living in a crazy world, my friends. We're living in a crazy world. So Nasdaq. I really hate these types of setups, you know, going into open, because it's like, okay, if we don't pull back to here, and then it's like we go, like, let's say we pull back just to here and then we make them move up. I don't love it, right? I don't love it. Even though there might be that momentum there, it's like, you're like, fuck, I really want to see this pullback. I want to see a deeper pullback, knowing that this whole pump here happened because of those numbers. It's kind of like, you want to see that pullback. We have that QQQ gap fill potential as well. So the QQQ, we want to kind of see this start to move back down and get to where we basically opened at or closed at yesterday. We want to open pretty much close to where we closed at yesterday, because, well, if we don't, well, then I'm afraid that if I go long right here, that it's gonna pull back anyway. So yeah, we'll see what happens going into open here. Either way, we're gonna trade the action, my friends. We got a pivot point right there at the 46s. Looking at the 5-minute chart right now. If you look at the 15-minute chart, this thing just looks like it wants to kind of at least pull back 600s or so. Like, into this level here would be nice at open. Just to kind of pull back, retest it, and then get that move up. Because I feel like if we kind of do this, then we kind of chop around, and it's not as good of a move. A deeper pullback, I think, just gives us a stronger move to the upside there. Hey, you idiots that are talking about donating to Trump. They're not donating to fucking his personal bank account, you idiots. They're donating to his campaign. I don't know if y'all understand how a campaign works, but you can't use your own personal money to pay for the campaign. You have to get donations. Or I don't know the exact number, but everybody's like, I can't believe they're donating to Trump. They're not fucking donating to his personal bank account. They're donating to the campaign. You can use your own money? I thought there was some kind of clause I don't know. How much money of your own money can you use? How much money can how much of your personal money can you use for campaign? Okay, there is no limit. There is no limit on the amount of money that you can use on a campaign, but the money that he's raising is for the campaign. And it says that any contribution accepted by a candidate may not be converted by any person to use for personal use. All right, the Nasdaq going into open here. We had that big old pop there with the PCE numbers this morning. PCE numbers pop it up there this morning. It's Fresh Cash Friday, baby. Oh, buddy. Oh, man. Back up there to the pivot point again. This is what I didn't want to see happen, and it's happening. My nightmare, my Fresh Cash Friday nightmare is happening. I wanted a little bit more pullback here. Pull back that 600 level. Are we not going to get... After this level here at the 650s, the next resistance area is going to be up into the 720s. So I would love to just like, I mean, I guess we're kind of inverting right now this move down, so more pullback, please. More pullback, please, please, please. Just a little bit more pullback. Just give me a little bit more pullback, please. I guess when I run for Senate, I'm gonna run for senator in Florida. Maybe in like 4 years. 3 years, I don't know. I gotta figure out the right time to do it. Patrick Wieland for Senate. If I don't win it, I'll be dumbfounded. Patrick, what's up with the shirt? Clearly you're not from around here. You're not a local, are you? You're not a local. Everybody who's been watching the stream for fucking the last year knows exactly what this shirt's for. It's Fresh Cash Friday, baby! Fresh Cash Friday! Fresh Cash Friday! Fresh Cash Friday! Fresh Cash Friday! We got a newbie in the chat. Be nice to him. Be nice to him. Hey, at one point, everybody was a newbie, all right? Everybody at one point was a newbie in the chat, so it's all good. All right, look at this. Little trap back down. We got stuck there at the pivot point. Oh, buddy. Give me that pullback, baby. Give me that pullback. 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 Pull back into this 600 level. Come on. I dare you, Nasdaq. I dare you. It is bull flagging. I am bullish here, but I would like to see a little bit more pullback is what I like to see. How many leopard shirts do I have? I only got one. This is the only one I got, baby. I only wear it on Fridays. I don't even wear it outside. I literally keep it just for Fresh Cash Friday streams. Nothing else. I don't even wear it anywhere else. Just for you guys. I have worn it. I used to wear it out back when I was single. Woo! Back when I was single. Back when I was single, I never wash it. I haven't washed it in years. It's got juju. It's got that juju, baby. Woo-hoo. If this shirt don't look like you're making money, I don't know what will. If this shirt don't make you rich, I don't know what will. The McLaren's behind me. I don't know if you can see it, but it's back. It's over there. Can you? I don't think you can see it, but it's right here. It's right there. I got the McLaren back, another 100 horsepower. Now it's got 623 horsepower to the wheels, baby. To the tires, to the wheels. It sounds amazing. I put new X pipes on. I gotta put a new camera. I got a new camera setup coming. I'm gonna put the camera so that you guys can see the thing, but it's ready to go. Right now it is 9:19. Be careful, brother. You be careful. You be careful. When can you expect the Hummer and the McLaren? Well, that's my plan. I'm gonna park the Hummer next to the McLaren. I'm gonna put a camera like right here, and then you're gonna see all of it. Ugh. All right, so the Nasdaq looking good for this pullback, baby. Looking good for this pullback. Yes. Yes, I rented the McLaren. Exactly. That's exactly what I did. This shirt's actually a rental too. I can't even afford this fucking shirt, man. The shirt's... I rented this shirt. Can Indian trade in foreign broker? I think so. The ban hammer is out already. I don't even, my new thing is I don't even address the bullshit people say. I just delete them. I just ban them for life. And then they're gonna cry, and then they're gonna message me on Instagram or message me on Twitter and be like, Patrick, I was just joking around. I was just joking. Please don't ban me. I want to comment in the chat. This is All Saints, by the way. This is like a $200 this is like a $200 t-shirt. A $200 t-shirt. $200 t-shirt. T-shirt. Look at that. Look at that. Can't even see it. My t-shirt. My t-shirt. Where is it? Where'd it go? Oh God, there it is. Look at it on the internet. Can't even see it. Buy it now. I'm gonna buy another one. All right, all right. Look at this music right now. Woo! I'm currently not long. I'm currently not fucking microphones. I gotta get this microphone working here. What's wrong with this microphone right now? Ah! Oh, that's better. Oh yeah, right there, buddy. Right there, buddy. Microphone, check. I had a fucking AC guy come to the house this morning trying to get my AC worked on, and the guy, obviously the house I'm living in right now is a rental, but the house, it's like, it's fucking hot, man. It's hot, and the AC guy literally was like, hey man, I'm not even gonna quote you because it wouldn't be worth it. I'm like, no, please help me. He wouldn't even give me a quote for a new AC because he said it wasn't worth it. I'm like, fuck me. Now I'm just gonna die. It's never a good sign when the AC guy tells you that it's not worth it for him to give you a price to get a new AC. Fuck. All right, right now, both the ES, the Nasdaq, pulling back here right now. He said it wasn't worth it because he said that there was no room in the attic and he wouldn't fit in the attic and it just wasn't worth it to him. So I'm like, well, I guess at least you're being honest with me. Right now, my outlook on the market right now is I like to see a pullback. I like to see a pullback here. A little pullback into this 600 level, which we're getting right now is looking real nice. Pull back into that 600 level. We're doing it. Ooh, buddy, look at it. Ooh, buddy. Get a mini split AC. Yeah, I thought about doing that. Got to do that as well. We got the VWAP down there at the 571s. We got 5 minutes till the market opens up here. It's Fresh Cash Friday, boys and girls. It's Fresh Cash Friday. We do it big every Friday right here on the stream. Other people, they're going to sit there and talk to you. I don't know what the fuck the other people do on the live streams, but we ain't doing what they're doing. That's for sure. We're doing it bigger. We're doing it better. Let's go. I gotta pull up the other live streamers so I can do the opposite of what they say to do. It works every time. The best strategy in the market right now is just to pull up other live streamers on YouTube, and once they go short or long, do the exact opposite, and you're pretty much guaranteed to make money. Pretty much. That's like literally the best plan that you could have in the market right now. People always ask me how to get rich. Well, what you do is you go on YouTube, you pick out 2 or 3 YouTubers who live stream, and you do the exact opposite of what they do, and you'll make money every day. Woo, buddy. This is looking good. We're pulling back here, baby. I'm not gonna recommend anyone, but you know, I'm sure you can figure it out. I mean, if you want to do the opposite of what I'm thinking, that's totally fine, but I think that one might work against you. Just, you got to be careful. You got to make sure you pick the right person. I don't know if you personally, I don't know if you'd want to fade me, but hey, you know, go for it. I'm drinking that C4 Smart Energy, baby. We're getting smart up in here. Oh, if you could copy trade or do the inverse of every trade that ICT took, you'd also be a millionaire. I would love, that would be the best data that you could ever get. Just doing the exact opposite of whatever ICT says to do. Oh, buddy. You would make so much money. All right, so going into open here, we got a nice little pullback here. We got that big move up of the PCE news. Look what's happening right now on the QQQ as well. We're pulling back into yesterday's close. Yesterday's close would be absolutely right there. That's kind of what we're thinking. So, alrighty. We had PCE news come out this morning. The market's spiking up. The ES broke out of this downtrend we had on the ES. So we'll see if the ES can hold up here and we can get a little Fresh Cash Friday move up. So we'll see what happens. Give me that big dump at open. Give me a dump at open down to the VWAP. Oh, that would be nice, wouldn't it? Dumpy dumpy down to the VWAPy whoppy. Dumpy dumpy down to the VWAPy. Woo! Whoa! Oh! Showing too much skin. Showing too much skin here on the stream. Look at this move. Look at it. 18,600. There it is. It's not a coincidence. Just look at it. You can see now the QQQ basically back to where we closed at yesterday. So, oh, buddy. All right, going into open here. We got 30 seconds, baby. 30 seconds. It's time to party. All right, we got the VWAP just sitting down there at the 73s. I like that. I like that 73. Let's see what happens here. Give it some time. Being patient, my friends. This move down here at open. We basically filled the gap here this morning so far, so. No reason really to do anything yet. We need, you know, let's get something convincing here. Needs to go a little bit lower, baby. They're holding the 600 level for now, but something tells me that VWAP wants to get tapped. We have numbers coming out at 9:45 as well. 9:45 numbers here today, so no rush. It's all good, baby. We can sit here and relax and just wait for this move to set up for us. Right now, it's holding up here at 600s for now. Like I said, we filled the gap there on the QQQ. But at this point, all I want to see happen is I want to get us back above this 20 level. If I'm looking to get long, I don't need to get long right here because, well, VWAP's right there. So there's a very high chance that we see the VWAP. Just from my experience. Does that mean it's gonna happen? No, but I know what will happen. If I get long right now, it's gonna dump down to the VWAP. So let's avoid that, you know? Let's avoid doing that today. All right, look at it. Like I said, avoiding getting long at the 600s. Oh, buddy, VWAP right now down there at the 75s. Give me that VWAP touch. Let's see it. Down there under the 70 level. Would you look at that? At the VWAP now. It's magical. It's magical, my friends. The VWAP. Being patient here. Just because there's a little blue line on the chart does not mean it's gonna bounce just magically. So far, so good though. At the VWAP now. Nasdaq's right there at the VWAP. Will this push us back up towards the 600s now? Ooh, buddy. Ooh, buddy. Ba 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 bam. Took a quick little scalp off the VWAP bounce from the 79s back up there to the 90s. Off the VWAP now. They got the 14 EMA up there, 600s. Easy peasy mac and cheesy. Almost bottom ticked that bitch. The low was 77s. Got long there to 79s. Look at it. Back up 600s now. We got 945 numbers, but look at this move off of the VWAP now. Who? I'm like an owl over here. I'm wisdom, the wise owl. Fresh Cash Friday, baby. This is my fucking, this is my kingdom. This is my land. Look at it. Would you just look at it now? Back up through the 600s. Right off the VWAP. Oh my God. Are you not impressed? If you guys haven't hit that like button, I need to get some love in the chat. Oh. Right off the fucking V-wall. Why didn't I hold the scalp? Because, like I said before, I only need my 10 points, 20 points a day, baby. Keeps the doctor away. Keeps the doctor away, baby. Look at that. We bottom ticked that motherfucker. Woo! 76 the low, long off the 79s, up there through the 90s. It's still going. It's still going. Beep. I said I was waiting for a 620 but when we were up here. All right, so now back to the idea. We get through this 620 level, then we start to break out here. We got the pivot point there at the 47s. We got another pivot point up there at the 747s. So about a 100-point move from this one to this one. We've got resistance up there at the 720s. Man, that C4 is hitting hard right now, boys. Ah! Ah! Look how strong I am. I just ripped the can in half. Right in half. All right, so the Nasdaq back up here now. We got these numbers coming out, 945. 945 numbers coming out here. Bam, ba, 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 bam, ba, bam, bam. All right, there's that 620 area we were looking for. We want to get right through that 620 area. Put in a higher low here. Look at that, right through the 20s now. Oh my baby Jesus, right off the VWAP. Yes, do not have a, don't open the position at 945. These numbers at 945 should get a big move, so. Look at it. Would you just look at it right now? The YM, the ES, everything making the move. Look at the ES here trying to break out. We got the 15-minute range on the ES. Look at the ES off of that pivot point there. The 56 is beautifully off the pivot point. Oh, my baby Jesus. How can one man be so good? Look at this thing. Oh, buddy. Hey, all I know is, at the end of the day, when the market was up here at 9 o'clock, what did I tell you? What did I tell you? Don't get long up here. Wait for this pullback. VWAP, 600 level. Ding, ding, ding. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, 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 baby. Bang, bang, bang. What made you think VWAP? Well, Todd, very simple. Gaps love to get filled. And look at that big old gap. Not big old gap. We had about a $2 gap there on the QQQ going into open. And would you look at it? Just look at it. Look, would you just look at it? Just look at it. Where did we close at yesterday? Bang, bang, bang. We pulled back there. We filled the gap. And now we're prime and ready. Prime and ready. Do, 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 do. We got news here in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Yeah, and I would also say that the big thing as well is when we get these like big spike up news events, you know, 8:30 news, and we get a big spike up, it's almost like guaranteed we're gonna kind of refill that. I wouldn't say guaranteed, nothing's guaranteed, but I would say it's pretty frequently we end up refilling, kind of pulling back to where that news came out at. Those gaps, you know, the gaps love to get filled. Ways of the Jedi, VWAP bounce. Wow, so profound. Well, guess what? Go fuck yourself. Get out of here. I got no time for your shit. I'm over here. I'm over here. I am over here giving people, just giving people free money, and they're still not happy. They're still not happy. I'm just giving them free money. I mean, even now, we're pushing up there through the 620s. Here we are. All right, we got a minute here till these numbers come out. Let's go. $11 seconds till the numbers. 9:45 numbers. Get ready. Anything can happen, my friend. Anything can happen. And here we go. Delayed reaction to the numbers here. There comes the numbers. I don't think the numbers are out still. What the fuck is this shit? How are they late on the numbers? Okay, now the numbers came out. The forecast was 44.90 for the Chicago purchasing PMI number. Forecast was 44.90. The actual number is 37.90. The numbers just came out. They came out late. Like, what are they doing over there? Yeah, but you got to think, though, the numbers being bad could help the market go up. Bad news is good news sometimes. All right, so back down to the VWAP here now. I think they're fucking something is going on with these numbers right now. Now they're not showing up anymore. I think they changed the numbers, or I have no idea what's happening. That's really weird. Why are the numbers not showing up? Not that it really matters, but I'm just not there. It's really weird. All right, so back down to the VWAP here. Well, once again, LOL, someone said NQ to 0. All in short. I mean, I think these numbers were impactful. We went from 620 down to 560 after those numbers came out. Dollar's still selling off. We're right here at the VWAP now on the Nasdaq. I'm using the economic calendar on TradingView, but I don't see it. The number's still not showing up there. Whatever. It's rigged. The market's rigged. I know. I see you guys in the chat talking about 35.70. I understand that. I understand that people see it, but for some reason on TradingView, it's not showing the numbers. That's all. Just wondering. All right, we are back down now. 15-minute chart, the 15-minute range. I think as long as we can stay above this like 560 area, we are still bullish for now. If we have trouble, we can't hold this level, well then there's a pivot point down there at the 500s next. So Oh, sorry. Put the wrong chart up. Bum. If you guys, you gotta go check out this video on my Instagram right now. This video on Instagram is absolutely insane. Look at that thing. Go check out the @Patrick Wieland Inc. on Instagram. Hit that follow, hit the like button. But look at that thing. It's the craziest video you're ever gonna see of a boat. Yesterday morning, it was insane. Absolutely insane. All right, the Nasdaq having trouble there at the VWAP now. This is our 15-minute opening range as well. We are sitting below that right now. You got the ES kind of holding up right now. The ES is holding up right there at that pivot point. I don't want to get short on the Nasdaq until the ES kind of really gives it up there as well. The ES is kind of just sitting right there for now. Last day of the month could sell off, possibly. Possibly. So having trouble holding up there at the 15-minute opening range now and starting to move down. Numbers came out, the market starting to gravitate towards that pivot point down there at the 18,505s. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. What indicator shows you the pivots? It's a secret indicator. I like how I banned somebody and they came back with a different name, different username. Fucking losers. Yes, slick. I'm hiding, guys. Don't tell anybody what the name of the pivot points indicator is. Don't tell nobody. Whatever you do, it's a top secret. Don't you tell anybody what the pivot points indicator is. Okay, nobody talk about it in the chat. It's a secret. Nobody talk about the pivot point indicator. If you want to know what the pivot point indicator is leave a $5,000 tip in the chat and I will talk about it. What's the, I like, some other day somebody asked, what's the VWAP indicator? How do you pull up the VWAP indicator? Top secret, baby. The 15-minute opening range strategy right now playing out here from the 74s down there to the 40s. Pivot point down there at the 500. Look at that thing. You can see the 15-minute opening range. The low breaking through there. We kind of chopped for a minute and then lost it again from the 70s down there to the 532s now. Kyle, when you grow up, you want to be just like PW. Well, I'd hate to break it to you, but nobody will ever be like me. But you could try. You just got to wake up every morning. You got to piss excellence. Until you do that, you're just another fucking scrub. What is a good level for a short based on the opening range? Well, that 70 area. VWAP again. We retest the VWAP here. Let's see. The problem right now is the fucking dollar just don't want to go up. The rest of the market kind of in, not in unison here. If you look at the bigger time frames, we're kind of pulling back into, you know, we're still putting in a higher low, the overnight, the range here. We have not kind of lost that overnight low yet. So I'd say we move down, take out that overnight low next. There is a gap on the QQQ here. There's a gap, right? Let's look for this gap. We talked about this the other day, actually. Get rid of the VWAP for now. You'll see that gap. This gap right here, 446s on the QQQ. Oh, God. That's back. That was from Wednesday, May 15th. And let's see if we draw this across here. If we draw that across there, there is that gap. It's not massive, but it didn't fill all the way. Will that gap act as a magnet here on the QQQ now? We got a little bit of support there at the 450s. I think if we get through the 449, 450 level here on the Nasdaq, well, then it's gap fill fucking all day, baby. So why does it randomly go to commercials? It's not me, it's YouTube. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, we got 600 likes here on the stream. We are winning, winning, winning. Fresh Cash Friday. Who wants to party with Patrick? Hey. Nasdaq again getting stuck there at the 50s. They lose that 40 support here and move it on down. Losing that 40 support here through the 30s now. Will we go right to the pivot point? Woo, woo, woo. Oh my, it's going, boys. It's going. It's going. It's going. It's going. Oh, buddy. Woo. Took my little 10 points right there, and it's still going. Look at it. It's still going, man. Oh, God. That was such a beautiful setup for a short there. This is the 1 minute chart. We got the 14 EMA there. We push back up into that 50 level, right where that was kind of set up there, the 60 50s. And then look at this candle right here, that 1 minute little reversal candle. And then whee to the downside. Pivot point coming up there. Oh, baby. I talked to someone the other day about this whole issue. Like, Patrick, what do you do when the market keeps going? Right? What do you do when the market keeps going? It don't matter. It don't matter. Because think about it. It's confirmation, right? If the market goes, if it goes long, if you take profit and it keeps going, that's like the biggest compliment that you can make. You know what I mean? That's literally the biggest compliment for you as a trader. Because it's like, oh, it worked out beautifully. You know what I mean? It worked out beautifully. You took profit, you entered the trade, you got filled, and that's all it's about. It don't matter. If it keeps going, up, down, bite, you know, it don't fucking matter. At the end of the day, did you lock in profit? Yes. Did you take the trade? Yes. Did you have a plan? Yes. Bang, bang, bang. You know? Bang, bang, bang. Look at it. The best part about this trade is I was never even in drawdown. Literally shorted. Bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Sorry, the C4 right now it's going hard in the paint. You know, it's about just understanding that it's okay. You're not always gonna make money. You're not always, well, number one, you're not always gonna make money. But number two, you're not gonna, if your whole entire existence as a trader in this market is to try to fucking buy the bottom, sell the top, guess what? You're gonna lose. You're gonna lose, you're gonna lose, you're gonna lose. If you just fucking take your profit, you have a trade, you take your 10 points, your 20 points, and then you wait for the next setup, you will make money. Do that over and over and over. It adds up. It fucking adds up. You know, it really does. It's a beautiful thing. Don't try to be like me. Just take your profit. Do it. You know, do it. Do it. Take your profit. Be happy. Nothing wrong with walking away in the green. As you can see, as just a little motivation. Look, green, 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 green. It adds up. It's easy peasy mac and cheesy. It's not rocket science. Look at that. Another day, another dollar. I have been green every single day this week. 10 points, baby. 10 points. 10 points. 10 points. 10 points. 10 points. 10 points. Woo! 10 points. And for people in the chat that are going to say, but Patrick, you never tell us what to do. You never tell us. You never tell. I have literally told you exactly what the market was going to do. Over and over and over. All morning long. And the thing about this too, shorting there at the 42s, down there, that was literally a 5-second trade. 5 seconds. Bang, bang, bang. You know? Bang, bang, bang. What's up with people, guys? The people not getting payouts with Apex, guess why they don't get payouts with Apex? Guess why? I'm gonna make it very simple and very fucking easy to understand. They don't do what the rules tell them to do. Trades by Matt, his payout was denied. Why was his payout denied? Because he was dollar cost averaging. It's that simple. If you follow the rules, I don't dollar cost average. I don't. I take a trade, I set my profit target, I get filled. You know, I don't like overcomplicate it. I don't care what anyone says. Dollar cost averaging is the worst strategy for trading. It doesn't work. Especially for if you're scalping, if you're trading, you know, like, why? Why are you dollar cost averaging? How did he dollar cost average? Because he's trading off of stream. He was trading not on stream, dollar cost averaging. You know? Did ICT win the Robbins Cup? No. Sometimes you place a small contract before you place the full position. And Daryl did make it very clear, if that's your strategy, that's fine. The problem is if you just keep adding and adding and adding and adding and adding, that's not a strategy. You know what I mean? Patrick, all I'm saying is that you might be supporting a sinking ship. That's like, where do you even come up with this shit? What if you're allowed to add to winning positions 100%. You can add to winning positions. You're not allowed to keep adding to fucking losers. You know? I don't get it. I add to lose. I've added to winners. I add to winners totally. The whole thing is, no, there is, guys, I don't know why people try to argue with me. It's like the people that are not profitable are the ones that are upset about the dollar cost averaging. You know what I mean? Like, those are the people that are upset. They're the ones crying because they're like, what am I gonna do? Now I can't dollar cost average. You know, like what is that gonna do for you? Like, I think it's fucking hilarious. You're allowed to place, like, you're allowed to basically put one trade on, put two trades on. But what you can't do is just sit there and keep adding and adding and adding and adding and adding. You know what I mean? The rule about the stop loss and the take profit, again, it goes with your overall strategy, right? If Apex sees that you're entering trades and you're holding and you're having like a $3,000 drawdown when you enter trades and then you only make $100 profit, like, that's when it starts to become an issue. It's just about all Apex wants people to do is just trade like a normal fucking human being. Is the dollar cost average the same as martingale? Yes. That's, you know, like, it really, it's interesting. Just trade like a normal human being, you know? If you have a buy zone that you're buying, then that should be okay. I don't know. I just think, like, everybody that has an issue with Apex, it's always some, like, I had the guy the other day that was like, they denied my payouts. And I'm like, well, why did they deny your payouts? And he said, they said that I made too much money on one day. So basically, he said he made $9,000. He made $9,000 the first day in the funded account. And then for the rest of the 9 days, he traded micros. There is a legitimate strategy of peppering the ladder where you average up and down with 6 contracts or a contract. Hey, if your strategy if your strategy is dollar cost averaging and you're a profitable trader, then just trade your own money. I don't know what to tell you. You know, like at that point, just go trade your own fucking money. I literally don't know what to do. So like, it's I still have not seen anybody that's actually traded a strategy with a actual profitable strategy get their payouts denied. I really haven't. I might, you know, maybe I've missed it. Maybe I haven't seen everything. I don't know exactly what Apex is doing over there. But again, I just feel like if you trade like a normal human being and you take trades, you get stopped out, whatever it is, you follow a plan and you do that consistently, then you'll have no problem getting paid out. You know? So I'm just putting that out there. I have payouts coming up as well that I'm going to request here next week, and I'll let you guys know if I get denied or not. All right, I'll let you know. If I get denied, I'll let you know. But my strategy is very simple. I take 1 or 2 trades, and then I walk away. That's literally all I do. I don't dollar cost average. I take my trades. I have a very simple strategy. You can pretty much go through all my trades and see like, oh, look, he aims to take 10 points. He takes 10 points in the momentum trade. Very rarely do I have any drawdown. That's another thing a lot of people don't understand. When you trade momentum, very rarely do I have drawdown. Why is that? Because I'm trading these breaks, these breakdowns, right? As you see, this trade right here, all right? What did we do? We had this candle right here. We got denied. I got short right when we broke to the downside here. Short, 42.50. The candle here only got to 45. And that was, I don't think I was even in the red at any moment there. But simply, I had my entry. I put my target right to the low of this candle. My 10 points. Look, 10 points. 10 points. I do this over and over every day. Every day. Every day. Same strategy. You know? So, I don't know. This is the 1 minute chart. And for anybody that's going to say, but Patrick, you didn't say it on the chat. I said, if we lose the 40s, we're going to the pivot point. It's always funny too, because the people that always in the chat talking about Apex, they're always the ones with like fake names, you know, like random names that they just created with no history. That's my favorite. And it's also hilarious how all the other prop firms sit around talking about Apex. At the end of the day, hey, at the end of the day, there is one very simple idea here. Look at the Nasdaq now down there, trying to take out this low. We talked about the low getting taken out from that overnight. And there she goes. Guess what? Guess what? 15-minute opening range. 15-minute opening range. You gotta love it. I'm telling you right now, there is no better strategy in the entire world. There is no better strategy than the entire world than the 15-minute opening range. I guarantee it. I would guarantee that if I took a brand new trader who's never traded their entire life. If I took a brand new trader that's never ever placed a trade, who has no idea how to trade, and I taught them the 15-minute strategy, I guarantee that they could get a payout before someone who has studied fucking ICT for 1 year. I guarantee it. That is literally a fucking guarantee. The best part is, like, I don't even really need it. Like, it's not a secret. It's just you look at the 15-minute range, you trade with that momentum. Young Florida Savage up $2,000. Look at the 15-minute chart. Where are we at right now, boys and girls? Where are we? Are you seeing this? It's still going. Down there to the 477s. The best part about this, again, look at that. Look at how, what? Oh, we pushed right back up there to the 40s. Like I said, that 40 area, we get the break to the downside. There was my short from the 42s. Look, 40s once again turn into resistance. Oh my baby, Jesus. It's too hard. Trading's too, I don't understand it. ICT, help me. Get out of here. Get out of here, people. Got no time for you. On 10 points, how much am I willing to risk? To be honest, most of the time, I very rarely have to risk anything because I'm trading momentum, right? That's really like the nice thing about trading momentum. Nico B, professional gambler. Yeah, bro. I'm a professional gambler. Trust me, I've been to the casino enough times to know that there is no edge playing fucking at the casino. Even though I've had plenty of days where I've walked away with money, I've also lost money. But with trading, I can tell you right now that if you have a strategy, if you follow that strategy, if you trade with a strategy and you perfect it, you focus on it, you can make money in this market. 100%. You know? Whew. It's fucking hot in here. I'm excited. I'm going to the gym here in a minute. I got my personal trainer. We're getting it ripped, baby. I'm going to rip this fucking shirt off. Hey, Patrick, can you do a walkthrough of how you set up the 15-minute opening range? Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Patrick, can you teach me how the 15-minute range opens? Okay, what we do here is, I'm gonna get rid of everything on the chart right now. We got nothing on the chart. How does this work, Patrick? You tell me, let me just break this down. Let me break this down one more motherfucking time. All right, so what happens? Okay, the market, it opens up at 9:30, right? 9:30, the market opens every motherfucking day, except for holidays. But at 9:30, what happens? Okay, 9:30, the market opens. At 9:45, the first 15-minute candle of the day, it closes, right? It does. It closes. So what do? I don't know. Let me figure this out. Okay, what I do is I look here, 15-minute candle, bang. Okay, there's my low of the 15-minute candle. There's my high. Okay, now what do I do? Okay, let me see. Bang! Once we get below this, we start to move down. There's your move. You got two ways to play this. Two ways, right? You can play it with the first break of the 15-minute range, or you play it for the retest. You could have done this, done that. You got these setups, ding, ding, ding. I like these types of setups for a couple reasons, right? This is a little mini bear flag. If you go to the 1-minute chart, look at the 1-minute chart there. A little mini bear flag, a little mini bear flag. This is my favorite fucking setup here because look, where are you going to get a short at? When should you get short? Think about that. When should you get short if you're looking to get short on this move back up? Anybody got an answer for that? Anybody? I'm trying to just drop knowledge right here. When do you get short? The first, basically, you just want to sit here and be like, okay, if I'm looking at this, when's the first candle to make a new low? You can see this candle, basically holding up there. This candle, we close there. We get the break. Your short really is like this area here, 540 to the downside there. Pretty much when we start to get a close of the previous candle, below the previous candle, that's when you're starting to look getting short. You know what's amazing too? Look at the QQQ right now. Do you think it's a coincidence? Do you think I'm full of shit? I mean, do you watch, like, if people that watch this every day, watch me trade every day, they know that this shit is not, it's not gambling. It's not a coincidence. It's not luck. This shit every day, it's happening. Every day. Every day. And the best part is, I don't have to make up crazy fucking names. I don't have to claim that I'm the fucking, I created the algorithm. I don't have to tell you that I'm the best trader, you know, in the whole entire world, and I'm gonna make 11,000% return. It's just so simple. Price action, price action, price action. Price action, price action, price action. Jason, before you looked at the MACD, well, because I got better, Jason. I have become a better trader. In the last 2 years, the last year, I'm getting better. I'm becoming a better motherfucking trader every day. You know? These gaps love to get fucking filled. Don't overcomplicate this shit, guys. You know? Don't overcomplicate it. It hurts me. It hurts me sometimes because people in the chat, I'm like, what are you talking about? Like, what are you talking about? You know? Where to now? Well, look, QQQ, 446, 447 level. That's where I think we're going. We got a pivot point, 18,400s to the downside down there. Again, does that mean the market's going to go directly to there? No. But we clearly see that we have just been bing, 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 bing. Pivot point down there, 18,400. Where's the new fishing video? It's live on YouTube, actually. If you guys haven't already checked that out, I just posted up the episode 2. I actually wasn't even in this video. It's just the team fishing. They're fishing in the tournament. So kind of funny. If you guys want to show some love, head on over there, hit some likes, show some love on it, leave a comment, let me know what you think. The new channel been blowing up lately. You got to get 2,000 subscribers. Help me help you hit the 2,000 subscriber mark on the new Patrick Wieland. Oh my God. New video, who dis? Oh, look at that boat. That's my Captain Danny. Had to get rid of the mate. Had to fire the mate. It happened. Motherfucker just was not happy. Just wasn't happy making as much money as he was making. He thought he needed more money. And I said, well, go fuck yourself. But if anybody wants to be a new, I'm looking for a new mate. $60,000 a year starting, plus bonuses, plus tournament winnings, plus just getting to hang out with motherfucking Patrick Wieland every day. So if y'all want to check it out. But you got to check out my Instagram. There is a motherfucking badass video on Instagram right now. You got to check out. That shit was fire. Fire, baby. Black guy here. What's a mate? I don't know if being a mate has anything to do with race, but it would just mean you're a mate on the boat, you know? Like you help out, clean the boat, take care of the boat, help out the team. And well, look at this. Guys, come on. Come on. Kevin Saxon, hey, I just listened to Patrick and made money. Hey, you know, every day we're doing this. I am making I'm making fucking traders. We are making, this is a live stream where we make motherfucking traders who are gonna kill it at life, fucking everything, top to bottom, baby. Make money in the markets, make money in life, fucking change your demeanor, become a man, grow some balls. We got some women in the chat too. We got some badass women in the chat as well. Hopefully they're not growing balls. Oh God. Make America great again, baby. We are making America great again. Make America great. Let me know in the chat if you made some money today. Who made money today? Who made money today? Let me know. I'm a badass, proud girl, no balls. Hey, that's fine. No, nothing wrong with that. We're just trying to get the guys to grow some balls. Welcome to America. Grow some balls. Watch Patrick Wieland live on YouTube. Money! 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 Fresh Cash Friday, man. Come on, boys and girls. Whew. I mean, today's price action was literally the best price action I've seen in a while. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, boys and girls. This is it, baby. This is motherfucking it. It don't get no better than this. Look at this thing. From the 536s down there to the 430s. That's 100 points. You know what's amazing? You know what's the best part about it? Y'all know, you know what the best part about it is? I'll tell you the best part right now. I made money and I don't give a fuck. The market went lower. Guess what? I got no emotion. I don't care. Because guess what? I was right. Number one, my strategy, I was right. I knew exactly where the market was going. I took my trades. I made money. And then I'm walking away. You know? Think about that. Think about that. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. You got to get rid of that thought process where you're so focused on trying to capitalize off of every single move. You know? Just get rid of that emotion. Get rid of that feeling. Make the money, walk away. Make the money, walk away. Make the money, walk away. The Nasdaq moving on down there to the pivot points. Look at these pivot points, pivot point, pivot points, pivot points. Come on, people. Look at these pivot points. You can't make this shit up if you tried. ICT, he can make up. See, the thing about ICT, the reason that ICT is so successful is because he's created this whole algorithm, this whole strategy that is based on basically like a fugazi, you know, just like these fucking crazy terms and crazy ideas so that people are so reliant on ICT teaching them, right? Because they can't do it without him. They don't know what to do because his fucking terminology is so insane that they're like, wait, I don't know. Is this a Pokemon? Is this turtle soup? What is it? What am I going to do? Patrick Wieland's like, look, pivot points, gaps, love to get filled, VWAP. It's not fucking rocket science, you know? So yeah, Fresh Cash Friday. We're in the green. It's easy, peasy, mac and cheesy. When you trade with Patrick, you win. You can't spell Wieland without wind. Or wait, you can't spell win without Wieland. Think about that. You can't. I don't know why. It's just the way the world works. You know, it's just the way the world works, people. And guess what? I might not be the greenest person today, but I'm motherfucking green. I'm motherfucking green. So you can see here, just a little recap for all the haters out there. They love to hate, but hey, it's all real. It's all happening. Do. Easy peasy, mac and cheesy. Look at this move. Oh my God, I've been teaching more than I've been making today. Down there to the pivot point. Dang, dang, dang. Dang, dang, dang. Guess what? Would y'all want to make a guess? Guess what this happened? Guess what just happened? Would you just look at it? Would you just look at it? The motherfucking gap motherfucking filled. Oh my God. Oh my God. Are you not impressed? Are you not impressed? And don't even be like, Patrick, you never told me it was going to fill the gap. Don't even fucking say that. You say that in the chat right now, I will kick your ass to the moon. I will fucking boot you out of here quicker than fucking you can say green. Anybody in the chat didn't know about this move here? Anybody? You guys weren't aware of that gap fill potential? No? Nobody was aware? It was there. If you guys haven't checked out the new video we posted up here with the liquidated team, check us out, show some love, hit that subscribe button, like button, support me, help you. So, oh man, the problem is, hey guys, we gotta stop though. The problem is, if I make too many people too good at trading, then then we're in trouble. Shit. Oh man, this might be bad. This could be bad, actually. Can the new mate be a female? Yeah, you got a female? I'm down. I got nothing against the female race. The female race. I got nothing against the female race. No problems. I mean, it's a lot of hard work, to be honest. Just do a 20-minute YouTube video on those 3 strategies. I don't think I want to. I don't want to tell anybody. This is top secret. Because guess what? If you're not tuning into the live stream and you're watching some other moron on YouTube, you're probably not winning right now. You know? Probably not winning right now. And honestly, today is the kind of day where if you lost money today, you should just go ahead and fucking quit right now, because there was no reason to lose money today. There was no reason to lose money today. Zero motherfucking reason. Like, what would you like? Where? Explain to me how you lost money today. If you lost money in the chat, explain to me how you where? Like where? Where? Like how? Like how? Where? You know what I mean? Like where? I don't even understand how you could have lost money today. I feel like it would honestly be impossible to lose money today. I will never, guys, I'll make a promise with you. I will make a motherfucking promise with you right now. You guys ready for this promise? I will never charge money to watch me trade, talk about the markets. I will never charge money for that. You guys support me. You hit the like button. You tune in. You subscribe. You support the channel. I'll support you. You know what I mean? And that's what it comes down to. I will never charge you. Fucking clip it. Put it on the board. I don't care what you want. This shit's free. I'm over here making money for free with people. For free! For free! Hey, and if you're thinking about paying rips to... that's a bad idea. That's a real bad idea. Like, very bad. That's very, very bad. Don't do that. That would be real bad. I would not do that if I was you. Actually, I might pay for the rips chat room. So that way I can do the opposite of what he says. That could be a good idea. This could work out for me, actually. This could work out, actually. I got it. That's my new plan. Don't tell them. Hey, nope. Nobody tell Rips, but I'm gonna pay for the Rips chat room so that I can just do the opposite of everything that he says. That's gonna be great. That's gonna be sick. I'm excited for that. That's gonna be the easiest money I've ever made. Oh my God, it's still going lower. It's still going lower. It's still motherfucking going lower. Are you kidding me right now? It's still going. Oh, baby. The best part is, again, look at this thing, guys. Come on. Just look at that 15-minute range. That's 200 points. That's 200 motherfucking points. Where do I see a possible reversal? I don't see possible reversals. I don't. Like, that's not... Seeing possible reversals when the market's going straight down, that's motherfucking gambling. You might as well just bet on black. You might as well bet on, you know, fucking go to Vegas and bet. Seeing possible reversals is not trading, right? There's nothing about this move right now that tells me I want to see a reversal. Only thing I would wait to do is we'd have to put in a higher low. You know what I mean? It's going down. If you're sitting here waiting for a long, why? 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 Well, the market went down 200 points. It went down 200 points. Why have you been waiting for a long? If you're even thinking about making a trade, you fucking just go ahead and quit. Turn the computer off. Turn the computer off right now. You know what I mean? Turn it fucking off. Get out of here. Come on. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't you motherfucking do it. Look at the 15-minute opening range. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that thing. Oh my, it hurts me looking at it right now, but I'm not, no FOMO. Well, Patrick, why not look for a long? I'm not even going to answer that. Like, why? Why look for a long? Like, why? You know what I mean? Like, why? Who cares if it goes back up? Who the fuck cares? You know, like, why? Like, why? Cheap longs all day. Why? Like, you know, like, why get long? You know what I mean? It's just like, why? You know? What am I doing later today? I'm going to the gym. I'm gonna go work out here at 11:30, and after that, who knows? Maybe go on the boat, maybe enjoy my life, just fucking do what I do every day, baby. I would not get short down here either. Guys, when the market moves 200 points from 10 o'clock until 10:30, if you're sitting here right now and you're thinking about putting a trade on, just fucking turn your computer off. Just turn it off. Just quit. Just go. Get the fuck out of here. What are you thinking? It went down a 200-point move in 30 minutes. Like, how could you not have made money? You know what I mean? Like, how could you not make money on this move down? You know what's going to happen next? It's going to fucking chop around. Like, come on. Come on. It hurts me, man. It hurts. It literally hurts my brain that I'm like even sitting here discussing this right now. Like, literally, look at this. It went red. I mean, it was just do. You know, like do. It just went down. Like it literally just went down, man. I don't know. Trust me, I've been there. I used to be that guy. I used to be the guy where I would have been trying to get long. You know, oh, I'm going to get long. Oh, I'm going to get long. Oh, it's going to bounce. Oh, it's going to bounce. I used to be that guy. I've been there. You know what I mean? Like, I've literally been there. I know I understand the FOMO, right? I understand it. I do know. But don't be that guy. I've done it. You know? Like, don't be that guy, man. And remember, bear flags go up. I think a lot of people are confused about a bear flag. This is not a reversal. This is a bear flag. Bear flag. Bear flag. You know what I mean? It's a bear flag. Bear flag. Bear flag. You see, bear flags go up. Bull flags go down. It's bear flagging. You look, it's the same thing every motherfucking day. Bear flags go up. Bull flags go down. All right? Like, trying to find a bull flag here. Now I'm fucking trying to buy a bull flag. Where's a good bull flag here? Well, this price action's been god awful at all-time highs, but bull flag, I guess, kind of like this fucking weird thing. This one's pretty good. This is a bull flag. Bull flags point down, bear flags point up. It's the trend, right? Because think, the trend is going up. So for a bull flag to work, what happens? It pulls back. It pushes up. A bear flag follows the trend. It follows the trend. I think a lot of people are confused. Right now, look. Another little bear flag setting up here. The problem is, after a big move, what also happens? Anytime there's a big move, what happens? We consolidate, we retrace, we chop. You know, you can see it over and over. This is on Thursday. Big move down. Then we move back up. The market moves in motherfucking waves. Motherfucking waves, just like the ocean. The market doesn't just go straight down. It goes like this. Doo-doo, 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 doo-doo. Right? That's how it moves. The market moves in a wave. This is terrible waves, but just letting you guys see. When the market's moving up, what does it do? It moves in waves on the way up. Right? There's expect consolidation at the top of these waves, the pullback, and then the push. This move here, even if you're bearish, you think it's going to keep going down, well, there's a good chance that at some point we try to push back up here. You know, that's really what it comes down to. It's like, okay, now we push back up and then we move down. That would be what if I'm looking to get short, I want to see some type of retracement and then that next move down. Does that mean the market's going to go fucking perfectly in that direction? No. You know? But again, look, for everybody that wanted to get long down here, what are you trying to get long for? You know, like what? Look at that. Once again, bear flag. Look how beautifully, again, right there. We make this candle, basically we break, bang. There's your short. Your short's coming in here. Oh, bang. Again, we gotta, you know, we don't want to be too focused on just the 1 minute chart, because right now you look at this, you're like, oh, it's gonna head lower. But then when you go to the bigger time frames, you look at the 15-minute chart, you're like, oh shit. Right? Oh shit. That's not so good. Why do you not set a new trade? Alex, did you not just watch the motherfucking stream for the motherfucking last hour? Why? 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 Why would I put a new trade on right here? Why, Alex? Why? Ugh. Another bear flag. It don't matter. I already made my money. I'm done. Patrick, why do you not catch the whole move down? Guys. Blah, 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 blah. I don't need to. You don't need to, man. You don't need to make the whole fucking move down. You don't. This is right here. This is just all this move down right here. It's awesome. It's literally amazing, right? It's so great. Because guess what? I took my trade. I took my profit. It went lower. Who cares? I made money. You know what I mean? Like, I made money. It's a missed opportunity. It's not a missed opportunity. What did I do today? Let's recap this. Let's motherfucking recap this. What did I do today? I got on the computer. I made money. And then what did I miss out on? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. You know? Think about it. Like, what did I miss out on? Nothing. Fucking nothing. If you make money, what'd you miss out on? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Am I green? I don't know. 620, 575. I don't know. It seems pretty good to me. What'd I miss out on? I missed out on maybe taking another trade and giving away profits. That would have sucked. You know, getting FOMO. I don't know. I've been trading for 7 years, and I've experienced every emotion. I've gone through everything. I used to trade back in the day. I would literally be trading. I would be trading from 9 o'clock in the morning until 4 o'clock, and it didn't work. You know what I mean? Like, it literally did not work. You know, like, it didn't work. So, like, why would I keep trying to do that? I focus on the trades, I make the money, and then I walk away. These are 50K accounts. You know, 50K accounts. Lose in the afternoon, what you make in the morning? Yeah, I mean, that's a fact. Right now, when I'm done with this, I am not coming back. I'm not gonna look at it. I don't give a fuck what happens. Even if the market goes down another 500 points, who the fuck cares? We made our money and then we walked away. You know? I don't know. Someone's gonna hate on it, someone's gonna talk shit, but I did exactly what I wanted to do today. I woke up this morning, I fucking pissed excellence. I did some work on the boat. I got in here on the computer at 9 o'clock. I made, what is that? $600 times 20, $12,000 a day. I made $12,000 motherfucking dollars. $12,000. Like, who the fuck cares? How much money did you guys make? I made $12,000 getting 10 points. Think about that. 10-point moves. I made $12,000. You know? How did you pass your evaluation accounts so fast? It's 1 day pass. Very simple, very easy. So, I don't know. Money, man. Remember, I've been doing this shit. I've been on YouTube live streaming for 7 years. These other motherfuckers who started live streaming, doing, you know, promoting blah, blah, blah bullshit they're doing, whatever, they have no clue. I have seen more people start YouTube channels, fail, quit, and disappear than, you know, I've seen it all. You know how many people I've seen come along, think they're gonna fucking take down Patrick Wieland? Oh, I'm gonna take down Patrick Wieland. Guess what? Every motherfucker who's ever bet against me has lost the bet. So think about that. I'm long, I'm strong, baby. I got endurance, I got stamina. I got stamina, baby. Oh God, I'm good. I'm out. I'm done. I gotta head to the gym here in a minute, get my workout on. You know? You need to be on TV, bro. These facts need to be out there. I don't know if we wanted them out there. Honestly, at this point, it's like, I'm not begging people to watch me. Really, I'm not. Like, I just go live on YouTube. People that understand, that aren't fucking morons, they tune in. There's no gimmicks. There's no bullshit. We have a very simple way of doing things around here. I'm not here to hold your motherfucking hand. I'm not here to tell you, oh, do this, do that. Like, we are here to basically analyze the market, make money, and then get the fuck out of here. That's what it's about. That's all it comes down to. You know? What do we have? We had a very simple plan today. We had the fucking gap fill. Ding, ding, ding. So, there it is. If you guys haven't checked out, check out the liquidated video today. Show some love on liquidated. That'll be my, if you made money, let me know. Check out the liquidated page. Hit a like button. It helps me help you. I don't ask for much. Just support the things that I'm doing out here. So, yeah, there it is. So I'll see you guys next Monday. Mega Money Mondays. The gap has been filled. And there it is. So, easy peasy, baby. Mac and cheesy. I'm gonna keep on going. Keep on going. Keep on going. I'm gonna keep on going. Keep on living my life. All right. I will see you guys next week. The 15-minute chart. The 15-minute opening range paying out here today, 200 points. If you're not green, you're doing something wrong. Wrong, wrong, wrong. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't motherfucking do it. All right? Take your profits, walk away, get the fuck out of here, go do something else. If you didn't already make the money, you gotta get gone. So, there it is. Talk to you all next week. Peace to the middle.